with her is her partner, Ian. Many of you know Ian Saunders, Dreadless Russ, Zig TV, all that big media mogul. That's him right there. They want to say something, so let me let them say something real quick.
And then Sharon would come back to me and said, you know, CJ, say hi, you know. Anyway, she brought us together, and we have 4 beautiful young ladies, and I just want to say to Sharon, they love you very much. Every day they say, when are we going to see Auntie Sharon? And if she and I haven't produced, and we're on our way to producing great things that you have achieved right now, Sharon. And if we haven't produced anything in our lives, we know that we've produced 4 beautiful young ladies, and with your blessing and your love, and we're happy to be here to celebrate 50 years with you.